This is not the yet. We're gonna get it more so.
Yeah. Boom. Talk about it. Want to pay those?
You're gonna get more phone. What is the agree for tomorrow?
And do you think the other sock is the same color as that? Oh shit, I didn't mix match.
Gonna rain tomorrow, gonna rain Monday.
Yeah, I know, I'm gonna need you early tomorrow. You good? You down?
What you mean early?
I mean early. I gotta be at the shop. It's only me, the other woman is going to a book expo.
And what time you gonna go?
It's gonna rain, so I'm not gonna ride the bike, so I wanna leave by so that's right. 14. Leave by 8:14, I'll get there in my car by 8:30. Or, 20.
Go on
So walk to the 8:14. That's when I want to leave. I'm gonna be up at 8, taking a shower, getting dressed, jump in the car, boom, be out. Is that right? Yeah, 8:14, and then I gotta do the 2 dogs. I'm not gonna go far.
Who take the stone we was there?
Right.
You take the stone, that fish on the tree.
No, it's right there. Someone just mushed it out of the way. I think it's heavy as hell. You ever tried to pick it up? Someone's right there. It's heavy. You gotta roll it. But they had to move it out of the way. The truck guys, like, throw it on the back of the truck. Just pick the thing up. Hell no, they were carrying it. Yeah, so this one new guy, he put this huge thing on his shoulder and off the whole, like, tree trunk. There's a freaking yard over there.
Look at the camera.
Ship cabin. Go look at the cabin. I don't know. I forgot the what. I don't know. Let it go until it dies. This morning. I think you still got another 7 minutes. And that's the battery on the last one. Look at that. You ever see
People put the air conditioner.
what?
They put the 2 air conditioner already. You're gonna get cold tomorrow.
I don't think they ever took them out. Or maybe, I guess.
Yeah, they take them out. They put them back to work.
Maybe they got a heat on inside too.
It's gonna be cool all week.
Saturday
gonna be 56.
Like I never see the windows open. Like the blinds are always shut. I don't have blinds. Right? The sunlight comes through the windows. Hello.
On the window, what blind you gonna see?
I have a lot of windows, man. No, I do have blinds in my room. They're bamboo blinds. And those put a little string.
What are you gonna run the car? Is that the motor?
No, I'm not gonna do it when the birds. Let the birds go. When the lights turn on, when all the lights start turning on, and it's full sundown. Maybe like 30 minutes. I don't know. It might happen quick. You'll see all the birds will be gone. I'm gonna run them.
The tourist from Alaska Wolverines.